Hi guys, this is gonna be a quick look. I am about to head out. I'm gonna head out, and I just decided that I will film this because I usually come up with really good looks when I'm in a hurry and rushing out the door, and I never get to document it. So I'm gonna start with the Prep and Matte by Lancome. I am gonna go in with the eyes first, like I said, applying my primer by Urban Decay. This one is in the shade Sin. I will go in first with the Morphe 350M, and I will do an all over the lid shade. I love this brush by Morphe. It is the Morphe M505, and it's a perfect brush for blending. Like, I legit think it makes me do my makeup better. It's a good brush. It's about $7 or $8 at Ulta. So I'm just going with a neutral shade all over the lid, buff that in. And this color in the Lancome palette is actually calling my name. It's like a silvery greenish gold, if that makes sense. So that's what I'm gonna put on tonight. So let us try my fingers. That might work. Ooh, it's pretty. Like a green. With the fingers, it applies way better. Sometimes if the shade does not work with a brush, just try your finger. And it's like magic. Magic on the eyes. I mean, it's a whole look already, and I'm not even done. So, I like this. Very nice and subtle, but very cute. So like I said, this shade is applying better with my finger, and I'm just gonna continue with that. I will go back in with that shade and just buff everything real quick. I'm on a time crunch. We should be out the door already. This is very subtle, very pretty. So we're gonna go in with some foundation. My fave by Lancome. Creature of habit, so we don't change much over here. I will probably speed up this section because you guys have seen this multiple times before. Applying my concealer by Morphe underneath my eye. Did I mention that this was gonna be real quick? Yes, quick but still snatched. Don't get it twisted. I will take the same brush and just go over everything without adding any additional product. I am liking how this is looking, considering I'm doing it like in super speed time. It is looking quite good. So what's the verdict? Which one is it? Okay.
I got these earrings from.
That is so cute.
These are the earrings I wore in that shoot with the main choice.
Oh, gotcha. And that is that on that.
You said you're Simone?
No, you're Simone.
I'm Simone?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're going to be Lynn.
What?
Lynn.
Lynn? I don't like that name. That sounds like a boy. I'll get one in a minute.
Yeah.
I'll get my own name. Thank you so much. I'll be Whitney.
Like, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Whit.
You're right.
Whitney and Simone.
Yeah. I'm adding some highlight to my brow bone. And lightly, because we don't want too much. We don't want to overpower this look that we got going on. Cute. I'm going in with Ruby Woo by MAC. Classic MAC. One of my faves ever. I'm using the highlight by Wet n Wild because I have abused and used this highlight like no other, but it works. Don't forget the nose. The button nose. Aquí. Are you dancing?
Yeah.
You practicing your moves? Okay. Alright guys, I'm going back in with my lashes so we can complete this look. Like so. We taking my car?
Sure.
Okay. I think I'm ready to party. Ready to party. I'm just gonna go with a random shadow, a green one. It's kind of bright. Ooh, it's a lot. Going with green below my lash line. And I like it. I like it, like it. Green makes brown eyes look really, it makes it pop. Did you know that? Green makes your eyes pop. Yeah. Alright guys, this is the finished look. This is what I'm wearing to the event. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.